Well, I figured before I get hammered.
Yeah, it's coming your way.
Hammer's not the story.
Ryan's getting hammered.
Ron, don't think we're just...
Yeah, we're not going to skip right into the serious stuff. It's still coming.
Yeah, we're just... Good. It's a little sidebar real
It's
quick.
probably going to be nasty, too.
I've been preparing for it since Sunday.
He's even got his Steve Jobs Keep Me Safe shirt on over there.
Actually, I've been preparing for it since
Is
I
that
found out the finale was on Sunday.
Is that a loss?
That's his Malcolm X shirt.
This is a Mac shirt.
Oh.
See?
Oh, a Mac.
So what did you think, Ryan, when you realized... first of all, when you found out the finale was on a Sunday? Is that not something that you already knew?
When I found
Did
out...
it surprise you?
It did. I read that about 3 or 4 weeks ago when they announced it. And by that time, I'd had a finale party planned for about 3 or 4 months. So what? Yeah. Enough said. For my part.
That thing is, I know what you're about to go through. I mean, there's a buzz coming.
Oh, I know.
Like, you're just standing
Right now, it just turned off 31, so that way its GPS is going, turn left.
I mean, and like, somebody's like, concreted your shoes into the road and you can't get out.
Oh,
and you're just standing there.
I'm about to that point
I've been hit.
Yeah, I'm about to that point. I'm just going to,
And he has already resigned to the fact that there's nothing he can say that's going to get him out of this because he knows he was wrong for doing that. He skipped church to watch the TV show. Even though you got TiVo and DVR and you can record all that, but he didn't want to disappoint his friends. So he set the example by skipping church. Right? Is that what I'm seeing? See, he was getting the scripture. He thought, I'm just going to pray.
I need to pray about
And I mean, we talk about being leaders and setting the example. And, I'm just going to skip church.
Come on.
I'm just going to skip church. It's pretty important. And a lot of folks will say, well, it's just one service. It was just one day that Jesus died on the cross. I mean, what if he had said, God, I would love to die on the cross. We got this big party. Got this big party. All my friends are going to come over. We've been playing this for 3 weeks.
We're going to watch TV.
We've been playing this for months.
Yeah, I was about to say months.
We've been setting this up for months. Even though, for thousands of years, Sunday has come every Sunday. And they hadn't changed that. And, since Jesus died, we decided as Christians that we would go to, as Baptists, we're going to go to church on Sunday because that's the day he was resurrected. That had never changed. I can see how you could forget, find precedence. It's more important for me to watch the season finale of a show.
Series finale.
Series finale. Oh, God.
Ryan, you ain't helping. You just sit there.
Of a TV program.
That's just like whenever you said technically, but it's like no.
Just enjoy the abuse, man.
Oh, I've been ready for it.
Man.
See, what you could have done is you could have said, "Hey guys, we're gonna go to church, and then after church,
it's DVR.
TiVo it and go home." It didn't even start till like 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I know, and it was 2.5 hours.
It started at 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
You know what time we get out of church?
7.
Really?
No. Hey.
Really?
Hey. He's not telling the whole story. He's not telling the whole story.
Who's not telling the whole story?
Him.
Well, please share. Mr. Leader. Hey, let me sit up and put a suit and tie on. Hey, I'm hanging out with Hank Irwin. How you doing? Glad to meet you. I'm going to watch Lost. Can't be at church. These folks I invited to church. Of course, you might not invite anybody to church, so. Gosh, did that just happen? I think it just happened.